Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. So we'll begin by writing it in a bit better manner. That is 1x minus 1y is equal to 2. Then we will start with, let's substitute x to be equal to 0. So what happens when this is 0, minus 1y is equal to 2. So anything with 0 will remain the same. So minus 1y is equal to 2. How do you eliminate this 1? We can multiply both the sides with negative 1. And so negative of negative is positive. So y is equal to negative 2. Next, we can substitute y to be 0. Very convenient. So we have 1x minus 0 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. And one last value and you are done. So substitute y is equal to, or x, no, y is convenient, 1. So 1x minus 1 into 1. That's why we should write it as minus 1 into y. Many people kind of miss it out. Silly mistakes. So we'll add 1 to cancel this and this, and you have 1x is equal to 3. And now the table summarizing x and y values. X and y. Please be careful while writing 0 and minus 2. 2 and 0. Tendency of writing 0 and 2. Right. So be careful. This is 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Okay. So this is a simple equation. So you can take such values. Just 3 is enough. To be safe, if you want to take 4 for a tougher graph, that will be safer. But this is an easy equation, so not an issue. Now, so we have x. Okay, I should discuss this actually. Y has a maximum value of 3 and minimum of 0. Sorry, x. Y has minus 2 and 1. Right. So accordingly, we can draw the graph. So such big line is not required. So along the x, it's just positive numbers. And in y, there is few negative number. So this is good enough. Okay, again, try to be smart. Don't overdo things. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And 1, 2, 3. Good enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is enough. Okay. So first value is 0 and negative 2. 0 and negative 2 is over here. And 2 and 0. 2 and 0 is over here. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Okay. Keep your scale. Things looks right. So we need not verify anything. And if you do this, you will get a straight line. Again, you should go both the sides. Start from one end and draw the entire length. Again, I can't do this because it'll take a lot of time, and doing this way over here is convenient. So this is your almost the answer. X, x dash, y, y dash, the values 3, 1, 2, 0, and you have 0, minus 2. And the equation x minus y is equal to 4. So what kind of relationship is this? X minus is equal to 2, I guess. Yes. It's a positive relationship. As x is increasing, y is also increasing. Okay. And we are done. Yes. Again, if you want to verify, you can simulate it. So we need to write it in standard form first. So this says one x minus 1y, transposing it, minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have 1, minus 1 and minus 2. 1, coefficient of y, that is b, is minus 1, and the constant is minus 2. Wait, minus 2. and you have this graph. No, wait, that's not it. This graph. Okay, let's cross check. So we have 2 0, correct? And here you have 4 and 2, which we have not drawn. I mean, we are not calculated, but the graph is showing we have 4 and 2 as a solution, and here too you have 4 and 2. That's good, right? And we have minus 0 and minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Okay, so we have the same graph. And this is your answer.